Welcome back. Now let's cut across to some live visuals which are coming in from Gujarat, and this is of the inauguration of the largest cricket ground, the Motera Stadium, and where the President Ramnath Kovind as well as is in fact going to inaugurate the stadium. And remember, this is the same stadium which had in fact hosted the Namaste Trump event last year, and this is the official inauguration of the revamped stadium which is going to take place shortly. These are the live visuals which we're getting from the world's largest cricket ground, Motera Stadium, which is going to be officially inaugurated in a short while from now. And also it's going to be the venue for the India versus England test match, which is the pink ball test today, which is going to start from today onwards, shortly after the inauguration. So we can see live visuals coming in of President Ramnath Kovind there in Ahmedabad, where in a short while from now, the inauguration is going to take place of the world's largest cricket ground, Motera Stadium in Ahmedabad. And as we know that this is, of course, a stadium which has the total capacity of over 1 lakh spectators. But for the India versus England test match, which is scheduled to start from today, only over 50,000 spectators have in fact been allowed. You can see that the president there is flanked by Home Minister Amit Shah and the
माननीय गृह मंत्री के साथ उपस्थित हैं माननीय केंद्रीय मंत्री राज्य कक्षा श्री रिजिजू, युवा मामलों व खेल कूद के माननीय मंत्री हैं आप। आइए धरती माता की प्रार्थना करें। समुद्र वसने देवी पर्वत स्तन मंडले विष्णु पत्नी नमस्तुभ्यं पाद स्पर्श क्षमस्वमी। समुद्र के वस्त्र धारण किए हुए पर्वतों के स्तनमंडल वाली विष्णु की पत्नी ऐसी पृथ्वी को उसके ऊपर पैर रखकर चलने के लिए, बैठने के लिए कई गुना सामान व बोझा लादने के लिए हम आपसे क्षमा याचते हैं। मनुष्य याचता है कि आज के इस यज्ञ में हमें साथ दीजिए, हमें धन धान्य व संपत्ति से पुष्ट करें। पृथ्वी सूक्त की इस ऋचा में जिस यज्ञ की तरफ निर्देश है वही है भूमि पूजन की विधि। जब हम पृथ्वी के अनंत उपकारों का कृतज्ञता पूर्वक स्मरण करते हुए अंतःकरण से नमस्कार करते हैं, उसकी सतह पर पैर रखकर चलते हैं, बैठते हैं, कई गुना वजन लादते हैं और कभी-कभी उसे गंदा भी कर देते हैं, उसका पानी दूषित करते हैं। इन सब के लिए क्षमा याचना करते हुए नए भवन निर्माण की अनुमति मांग रहे हैं आज। सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल स्पोर्ट्स एनक्लेव का भूमि पूजन संपन्न हुआ और आज साथ ही विश्व का सबसे विशाल आधुनिक सुविधा से सुसज्ज गुजरात के अहमदाबाद शहर में स्थित सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल स्टेडियम के डिजिटल उद्घाटन का भी अवसर है। इस अवसर पर पधारे आप सभी का हम हार्दिक स्वागत करते हैं। याद रहे, ड्रम्स रोल होते ही हम अपने स्थान पर खड़े हो जाएंगे और जैसे ही राष्ट्रपति महोदय मंच पर पधारें, अभी समय है राष्ट्रपति महोदय कुछ क्षणों के बाद पधारेंगे। आपको याद दिलाते हैं कि ड्रम्स रोल होंगे, तभी आपको संकेत मिल जाएगा कि राष्ट्रपति जी पधार रहे हैं। और उनके पधारने के साथ ही मंच पर जब वो पधारेंगे तो ड्रम्स रोल होते ही आप तब अपने स्थान पर सावधान मुद्रा में खड़े रहें और मंच पर राष्ट्रपति महोदय पधारने के साथ ही पुलिस बैंड द्वारा राष्ट्रगीत बजाया जाएगा, जो संपूर्ण होने के बाद यहाँ से सूचना मिलने पर आप अपना स्थान ग्रहण करें।
Right, so you can see over there that the inauguration has taken place of the Motera cricket ground, the world's largest cricket ground, and in a short while from now the president is also going to make a speech. If you can just take our viewers through the salient aspects of this cricket ground. Of course, as we said, it has the highest capacity in terms of seats, with over 1 lakh seats. Around 1,10,000 is supposed to be the total capacity of the stadium. As we mentioned, it hosted the Namaste Trump event back in early 2020, after which the stadium was in fact revamped, but it took a lot of time because of the pandemic last year. Built at an estimated cost of around 800 crores. That's the budget which had been put on aside for revamping this stadium, and there are 2 practice grounds and 11 pitches as part of the premises, dressing rooms which are interconnected to gyms, and the stadium also allows quick resumption. Arrangements at the stadium rather allows quick resumption of a match post rain. So in a short while from now, we also know that this is going to be the venue for the India versus England test match. As we know, the series is tied at the moment at 1-1, and the pink ball test is going to be starting in a short while from now at this venue.
तापस हमारे संवाददाता हमारे साथ जुड़े हुए हैं। तापस, मोटेरा स्टेडियम की अगर हम भव्यता की बात करें तो क्या दर्शक, क्या खिलाड़ी इस वक्त?
Right, so what we can in fact see is that the president as well as the home minister as well as the sports minister are all present at the Motera cricket ground in Ahmedabad, and the official inauguration is done. We are shortly waiting for the president actually to make a speech at the inaugural ceremony of the stadium, and this is, of course, coming in just ahead of the test match, which is going to be played in the afternoon today between India versus England. And, of course, this is, in terms of grandeur, this is the largest cricket ground in the world, and a mega ceremony which is currently underway for the inauguration. So this is, of course, going to be the venue of the third test today between India versus England, and it is the largest cricket stadium. We've already seen a lot of players ahead in the day. Even the players who were in fact practicing in Ahmedabad have in fact commented on the grandeur of the stadium, and this is, the stadium is going to host the third India-England test match, which is starting from today. Time for us to slip into a short break. More news and updates on the other side. Stay tuned.